Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winifred. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this luxury trendy dump out sleeve. It is very easy to make and it is beginners friendly. If this is what you love to learn, keep on watching. So let's get to the honey of this video. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. To make this sleeve, you are going to be needing your basic sleeve pattern. If you have one, you can make do with it, or if you don't have, you can just draft it on your fabric as I want to do now. So I'm folding my fabric into two with my bicep measurement divided by 2 plus 1 inch for seam allowance. I was just trying to check if it was stretchy because this is a chantilly net and sometimes it can be stretchy, but it's not stretchy. So you're going to take your measurement on your client's body up to the wrist area, and you're going to go past the wrist area because it's going to be getting to the thumb part of the hand. All right, so on my client it was 26 inches and I added 1 inch for seam allowance. If you are going to be folding this fabric at the end, you are going to add about 1.5 inch seam allowance, but because this has a lace fabric at the tip already, I'm only adding 1 inch for the seam allowance. All right, so I am trying to draw my sleeve cap right now. So what I'm doing is that I just went down by 3 inches. That is the arm's eye of the person's sleeve, and then I'm covering it out right now. I'm just doing a basic simple sleeve cutout. All right, nothing so serious. So at the edge of the sleeve, the round measurement, the circumference of the sleeve was 10 inches, so divided by 2 is 5 inches. I added 1 inch to that, making 6 inches, and then I'm just cutting it out like that, like a slant, just like we cut our normal basic sleeve. So once that is done, I'm going to set one part of the sleeve aside and work on one part of the sleeve. So I was just trying to say that assuming this does not have a lace edge, you are going to hem the down part, but it has a lace edge, so we are not hemming the down part, we are just working on it like that. So now the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to fold your sleeve into two like I've done right now. Then you measure the circumference of where the sleeve is stopping. On my client's body it was 10 inches divided by 2, that is 5 inches. I'm just turning it so that we can see what I'm doing clearly. So from that 5-inch mark, I'm going to sew about 1¼ inch inside. So from the 1¼ inch, I'm going to open up 2.2 inches. So that place is going to be open. So I'll sew 1¼ inch, I'll jump to the 2.2 inches and stitch it all the way. So don't forget that when you are sewing your sleeve, you are supposed to slant it. So by the time you are sewing it and you are leaving the space, you should also follow that slant that you will normally do when you are sewing your sleeve. So I've gone ahead to stitch it right now. I opened up the 2.2 and I stitched the rest. So what I'm going to do next is that I am going to cut off the excesses. Don't cut it too small, all right? You don't want all the allowances to be gone because it might need an adjustment, so you can just lose it out. So once that is done, I'm going to open it up like so. As you can see, that's the opening that we've created, and then we are going to stitch it on both sides like that, and then I am going to iron it open like that place that we stitched. I'm just going to iron it up. So let me quickly do that now. So I've already done that. I've already stitched it open. See how beautiful it's looking, and it's looking neat already. So I placed my hand inside it and this was how it looked. If this was helpful, let me know in the comment section down below. Till I see you in another tutorial, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Take care. Bye. Papa.